In today's world, there is confusion present everywhere. The most important confusion is here in the terms of mobile app is what is hybrid app, what is native app, and what is web app. Let's learn in more details. Let's discuss first with native app. Native app, as the name suggests, it is the native form of any of the application, whether it's a Android app, whether it's a iOS app. It is the native form, means for Android you need to create one app, for iOS you need to create one app. It is native in the terms, but it is mobile friendly, it is device friendly, and it will be faster load in any of the device. But if you want to create application for both the device, like for Android, for iOS, then you have to create two native app for Android and for iOS. If you want a single change, a little bit of change you want to do in your application, then you need to replicate the change in Android as well as you have to replicate the change in iOS. But the native app have some advantage also. The faster loading time, the less in cost, and the native app generally develops to run on Android device on the technology of Java and Kotlin, while for iOS in the programming language of Objective-C and Swift. It is so simple, it is easier for you, easier for developer, and less cost for application owner. If you want to go with this, you can definitely go with a native app. Coming to the hybrid app, before that I will tell you about what is a web application. The second one is web application. Web application means the application that runs on the web, that runs on the help of web, that is called a web application. Let's imagine you have a website. You want the same replication of that website on your mobile app or mobile devices. You can do that. Let's assume you have a e-commerce website of your own. You want to do the replicate of that to your mobile. You want that app for that. Then you can do a web application for that. Whatever changes you do on the website, that changes will reflect on the mobile app itself. But the downside of this, that it is fully dependent on website, so there is no single file, or the file of the mobile app will not be stored on the iOS platform or Google Play platform. This is the downside. Otherwise it is less cost and it is more cheaper than of native app itself. So typically, who are the business owner on like who sells product and services through online, through a website, they try to come into this part and they do a web application first. Then after they go to native, then after they go to hybrid application. Now the time comes to learn hybrid application. What is hybrid application? To cater the disadvantage of native app, to cater the disadvantage of web app. Now the Android app, that is called hybrid app. Hybrid app means it will run in the Android application, it will run in the iOS platform, in the Android platform and iOS platform. A single file will be there, a single hybrid file will be there. If you need to change a small amount, you do change on the same thing, on the same file, and that change will reflect on the Android and iOS. Don't need to create two applications for a single purpose. You don't need to create for that. You create one application that will run on Android, that will run on iOS. This is called the hybrid application. This is generally a slight higher side of price costing, but there are great advantage of using hybrid app itself. Many of the big companies are using hybrid application. If I talk about some more advantage of using hybrid app, that it is a faster loading, it does not require many changes, less maintenance cost, one changes that will reflect everywhere. If you like this kind of informational technical videos, you can check out my other videos in my playlist section. So right now I am signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.